Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily challenge, that is, function, getSumRemainder. Int o equals 0, e equals 0, declares two variables o and e and initializes them to 0. O will be used to store the sum of odd integers, and e will be used to store the sum of even integers. For int I equals 0, I less than n, I++ initiates a for loop that iterates through each element of the array ARR. If ARR I%2 equals 0 checks if the current element at index I is an even number by using the modulo operator %. If the remainder when dividing by 2 is 0, it's even. E plus equals ARR I. If the current element is even, its value is added to the variable e, accumulating the sum of even integers. Else, if the current element is not even, i.e., it's odd. O plus equals ARR I adds the value of the current element to the variable o, accumulating the sum of odd integers. Return O%e calculates the remainder when the sum of odd integers, o, is divided by the sum of even integers, e. This value is then returned by the function. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.